Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to my heart. Deel. Deel is an amazing platform that allows you to hire and pay employees from all over the world. It's a great way to save money on labor costs and expand your business. But one thing that people often wonder about is Deel's withdrawal fees. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, how much is Deel withdrawal fee? Before I get into the specifics of Deel's withdrawal fees, I want to take a moment to talk about what Deel is and how it works. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy to hire and pay employees from all over the world. It handles all of the paperwork and compliance for you, so you can focus on running your business. Here's how Deel works. You create an account on Deel. You add the employees you want to hire. Deel sends out contracts and onboarding documents to your employees. Deel pays your employees on your behalf. Deel handles all of the taxes and compliance for you. Now that you have a better understanding of Deel, let's talk about its withdrawal fees. Deel's withdrawal fees vary depending on the currency you're withdrawing to. Here are the current fees. USD 2.5%, Euro 2.5%, GBP 2.5%, CAD 2.5%, AUD 2.5%. NZD 2.5%, JPY 2.5%, MXN 2.5%, BRL 2.5%, NR 2.5%, IDR 2.5%, PHP 2.5%, THB 2.5%, SGD 2.5%, MIR 2.5%, CNY 2.5%, KRW 2.5%. In addition to the withdrawal fee, Deel also charges a small processing fee of $1.50 per withdrawal. So, if you're planning to withdraw $1,000 from Deel, you'll pay a total of $26.50 in fees, 2.5% plus $1.50. Deel's withdrawal fees are competitive compared to other similar platforms. However, it's important to note that Deel does not offer free withdrawals. If you're looking for a way to save money on Deel's withdrawal fees, you can use a debit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Here are a few tips for saving money on Deel's withdrawal fees. Use a debit card that doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Withdraw a larger amount of money at once to reduce the number of fees you pay. Consider using a currency exchange service to get a better exchange rate. Deel is a great platform for hiring and paying employees from all over the world. However, it's important to be aware of Deel's withdrawal fees before you sign up. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'm going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.